Hi and welcome back to my channel, Mama in the Mitten. My name is Chantel and today I'm going to be recording a video all about how I sterilize my baby's bottles and the bottle nipples using a Philips Avent baby sterilizer. So I'm going to show you what it looks like and how I use it, and then I'm going to kind of talk a little bit about why I like it, some pros and cons, all that fun stuff. If you're interested, go ahead and stick around. So here is what the sterilizer looks like. It's kind of this like dome shape. And so what I'm going to be doing is, my daughter is getting older and I think she needs to size up in her nipple sizes. So we're going to be using Komotomo, the fast flow for 6 months and older. Then we're going to do Dr. Brown's. These are probably her most used and most loved bottles and bottle nipples. So these ones are also 6+ month. And then Tommy Tippy, with my first daughter Olivia, she did really enjoy these bottles. However, Kelsey has not really loved the Tommy Tippy bottles. But before I had her, I had already purchased these from Bye Bye Baby, which is now out of business. So there's no way I can return them. I could try and sell them. So I have another pack of these. I may do that if she doesn't take to them and just sell them or give them to my sister or something. However, I'm going to try these since I have them. So I'm going to sterilize them as well as some of like the other like bottles and stuff. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to show you how I do that just in case you're interested in this. So what I like about this is that it's obviously doesn't plug into anything. It's just the dome. So I don't need to, use up some of my well-needed real estate on my countertops. Don't need an extra plug or an outlet for it. So that's super nice. I can also just store it in my cabinet so I don't have to look at it. When I need it, I can just grab it, take it out, use it, and put it away. One of the downsides, however, is that it doesn't really hold a lot. I mean, it holds a decent amount. I'll show you when I actually go through it, but it would be nice if it held, some more. It also has this little insert that you use to put everything in. So it has some like little cutout indentations, like some circles, so you can like stand stuff up, like parts and bottles and stuff, or just lay it down, whatever. This is where you put the water. So you just pour in some water and then pop it into your microwave. So I've used this for both Olivia, who's 4, and I've been using it now with Kelsey, who is almost 8 months old. And so what I did, since I knew I was going to be using this for my second baby, instead of keeping the box and needing to remember all these years how much water and how long it goes in the microwave for, what I did was I just wrote on the bottom of it with a Sharpie. I just wrote the amount of water and how long it needed to remain in the microwave. So you can see I just put that there's 7 ounces of water for 4 minutes in the microwave. So that way I knew how long and how much water to be able to use it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up all of these packages, and then I'm going to wash them with just hot water and soap. Then I will show you how I sanitize them. Here is my 7 ounces of water. I'm just going to pour it into the sterilizer and then put my nipples and whatever other bottle parts or whatever I can fit in. Then I just have to line this up, put that in the center and then fit as much stuff in as possible. Kind of have to play around with it so you can fit as much as you possibly can. Let's see if I can fit in a bottle. Alright, so I was able to fit in all of the nipples that I just opened and cleaned, as well as one of the Dr. Brown bottles. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave and then put it in for, 4 minutes, and then I will take it out and show you the next step. So it's been the 4 minutes, so now I'm going to get the sterilizer out of my microwave, and be careful because it is super hot. So I took the sterilizer out of the microwave. I'm just going to pop open these little sides, and when you open it, it's very steamy, so I kind of let it steam. You see all that? Just kind of let it come out. Sit there for a sec, and then I'm going to go ahead and just pop those right onto my Boone drying rack. That's the other con with this sterilizer, is that it doesn't dry the bottles or whatever you sterilized. As you can see, the bottle has, oh, it's kind of hard to see on the camera, but in real life there is a bunch of just steam and condensation still left in the bottle, so that's why I always just set it out on the Boone rack to dry, on the Boone grass to dry, so that way I'm not using, I don't know, can't really see it, kind of, but yeah, so it needs to get dried out of the sterilizer. So that definitely is a con, because I know some sterilizers that you can like plug into the wall will sterilize and dry them. So that's a con if you're wondering. But another pro is that this is relatively inexpensive. It's a pretty decent price for what it does. And it's pretty quick. Just 4 minutes in the microwave, and then however long it takes to sit out and dry. Alright, so that was the Philips Avent baby sterilizer. I hope you enjoyed watching me sterilize my daughter's baby bottle and the new nipples. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe and send me a comment. Alright, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Alright, thanks. Bye.